Hello everyone, welcome to Kenspire Business Mantra in the Kenspire YouTube channel. Friends, this particular program is a series of videos under the banner Kenspire Business Mantra intended to provide valuable tips to entrepreneurs, SMEs and family managed businesses, and more particularly those businesses without the help of CXOs. Friends, Kenspire Advisors has been involved in supporting these entrepreneur-driven businesses in the last so many years and in realizing their potential, achieving their dreams in a structured approach to growth. In this particular series of programs, we will be talking about from origin to end in terms of approaching a business. To explain in detail, we will start about ideation of business, how to approach it, why you get into business, your vision, your mission, and how do you structure your organization. How do you fix your strategies? How do you fix your goal? What kind of culture you create in the organization? How do you build your resources in the organization? How do you manage these resources effectively and efficiently? How do you review and monitor these various parameters of the various activities? And how do you have planning in an effective way so that the role of an entrepreneur is clearly towards fostering better growth? There will be about 50 videos in this series of programs, and we will be uploading these videos periodically. Each video will consist of about 5 to 7 minutes, and a particular topic will be taken on a single day. It is for you to easily assimilate this particular topic and then ponder upon that and take it for your application. There will be an email ID appearing here where you can post your queries, your clarifications and feedback so that we will be in a position to address accordingly. Friends, let me reiterate, this particular program is intended to support the great community of entrepreneurs, particularly the SME entrepreneurs of India, who are the backbone of this country. There are millions of entrepreneurs and aspiring entrepreneurs who want to make sure that they realize their dreams. It is our intention to support this particular entrepreneur community, and even if a few people are able to see success using these tips, our job is done. With this, we will come to the conclusion of this particular introductory part. We look forward to seeing you again in specific topics going forward. All the best and thank you.